COVID-19 pandemic-driven lockdowns brought the global economic activity to a halt. Pakistan was no exception. Daily wagers became the most vulnerable segment of society. Within days, HBL and Ehsaas, a Government of Pakistan Poverty Alleviation and Social Safety Initiative, joined forces to enable the delivery of the Ehsaas Emergency Cash Program. This is the story of that remarkable public-private partnership.
HBL and Ehsaas have joined forces to enable the delivery of the Ehsaas Emergency Cash Program to support the deserving in this period of lockdown.
Ehsaas Emergency Cash is the largest social protection program ever to have been undertaken in the history of the country.
HBL is leading this effort across Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab and Islamabad Capital Territory.
And the context was the COVID-19 situation.
So it's a combination of our investment in the right technology and an investment in the right people and having the people with the character, with the commitment, with the passion.
You also have to bear in mind that we were really working on skeleton capacity.
एक सेट पैटर्न्स जो हेल्थ कम्युनिटी से सेटल्ड हुए हमने उसको फॉलो किया अल्लाह का शुक्र है वी पीपल आर वेरी मच हैप्पी टू सर्व द पीपल.
That's where our massive branch network came in very handy because for any other institution, managing this large volume of cash would not have been that quickly possible for them.
हम पूरे जज्बे के साथ हुब्बुल वतनी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. हमारी टीम का कर रही है. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ अपनी टीम का.
ये है कि घर का जो रूटीन का खर्चा है वो चल जाएगा.
कुछ घर राशन पावांगे, किराया देना है वो किराया देंगे.
HBL और हुकूमत पाकिस्तान ने ये बहुत आला कदम उठाया है और मैं उनको सलाम पेश करता हूँ.
हमें डर नहीं है और हम इंशाअल्लाह इसके ऊपर पूरा काबू पा भी रहे हैं.
Despite COVID-19 and these extraordinary times, HBL's efforts demonstrated that the bank is committed to go to extraordinary lengths to help the communities it operates in.
जहाँ ख्वाब वहाँ HBL.
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.